we will discuss about how to solve the fraction with same denominator. Okay, suppose if the fraction has the same denominator. For example, write the number is 3 divided by 5 plus 9 divided by 5 plus 2 divided by 5. So just notice one thing, just see one thing. This is called the numerator. Okay, whatever comes upside, जो भी ऊपर आता है वो होता है numerator. In Hindi अंश, in Hindi अंश. Whatever comes below, जो भी नीचे आता है, this is called denominator in Hindi हर. So whatever comes up, जो भी ऊपर आता है अंश, whatever comes down or below, that is called हर. जो भी ऊपर आता है numerator means अंश, जो भी नीचे आता है denominator means हर. So the fraction is 3 divided by 5 plus 9 divided by 5 plus 2 divided by 5. So first of all, just see here, what's the sign between the fraction? Fraction के बीच में sign क्या है, चिन्ह क्या है? Plus and plus. That means we have to add this fraction. We have to add this fraction. But notice one more thing. When the denominator, okay, suppose if we have to add the fraction, अगर fraction को add करना है, so first of all check out the denominator. What is called denominator? Whatever comes below this line, जो भी इस line के नीचे आता है, जो भी इस line के नीचे आता है, that's called the denominator. Okay, so what's the denominator? 5. What's the denominator here? 5. What's the denominator here? 5. So just see, the denominator is 5, the denominator is 5, and here is also the denominator is 5. So this one is also 5, this one is also 5, this one is also 5. So these are what? Same or different? Same means एक जैसा, different means अलग अलग. So this is what? Same or different? Same. So when the denominator is same, so you have to write down only one denominator. This one is also 5, this one is also 5, this one is also 5. So write down only 1, 5. So this is the first method. You have to take the common denominator. Now what do we have to do? You have to write down the first numerator. And numerator, so obviously you have to write down above this line. Okay, जब भी numerator लिखना है तो इस line के ऊपर लिखना है. Okay, so what's the first numerator? 3. So we write down 3. What's the sign here? Plus. So since the sign is plus sign, so we will write down plus. If the sign was minus, so we would write down minus. But the sign is plus, so here we will write down plus. What's the second numerator? 9. So we have to write down 9. What's the sign again? The sign is plus sign. So what we have to write down? Plus. What's the next numerator? Numerator is 2. Okay, so we have written down this. Now we have to solve the next step. Plus, plus, plus. If there is no sign before a number, अगर किसी नंबर के सामने कोई चिन्ह ना हो, so that is assumed as plus. उसको plus मानते हैं. Okay, so there is no sign before this 3, so that means this is what? Plus. So plus 3, plus 9, and plus 2. And plus plus, if there is plus sign and plus sign, so we have to add, उसको जोड़ना होता है. So we have to add this now. 3 and 9, 12 plus 2 divided by 5. Now we have to solve the next step again. Plus minus is obviously clear. Then 12 plus 2, so 12 plus 2, 14 divided by 5. So this is the answer. So this is how the fraction is solved with same denominator. If the denominator is same, so we have to solve the fraction with this method. Okay, so now let's discuss about numerator and denominator. What is called numerator and what is called denominator? Whatever comes above the line, जो भी इस line से ऊपर आता है, that's called numerator or अंश. Okay, in English numerator, in Hindi अंश. and whatever comes below this line, जो भी इस लाइन के नीचे आता है, that's called denominator. Denominator means in Hindi हर. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing, whenever the denominator is same or whenever the denominators are same, जब भी denominators एक जैसा हो, and if we have to plus or minus the fraction, if we have to add or subtract the fraction, so we have to use the common. I mean, we have to write down only one denominator. जितने भी denominators है उसमें से बस एक ही denominator लिखना है. Then the next step, whatever are the numerator, we have to write down the numerator above this line. जो भी numerator है वो इस line के ऊपर आएगा. Okay, then just simply you have to add the numbers and you get your answer. So this is how the fraction is solved with the same denominator. Okay, so if you have any question, any doubt, any confusion, so you can just write down your quotient out on my WhatsApp number, which is 7987671552. If you want, then you can join our online classes. For joining our online classes, just go to the description and just click on the link.